has joined, no man can separate. Hello friends and welcome back to our channel K2 and family. I hope you all are doing very well. Well, वो कोट आहे म्हणला म्हणटा वो कोट कित्याक म्हणलं काय म्हणून बायबला वयलो काजरा बी म्हणटाय वेल वो कोट व्हेरी मच आमगे काजरा म्हणलो
we very much connect to it.
वी आर व्हेरी मच कनेक्टेड टू दिस कोट या थंबनेला चोयनी तुमकां कळ्ळें आसतलो हो कोट स्पेशली हे तूं कित्याक म्हणलो काय म्हणून सो येस इट वॉज माय फ्रेंड्स वेडिंग विल्सन and Sonali, congratulations to you all. God bless. Well, I would say Wilson is very lucky man to find a woman like you.
Yeah.
Very nice. हमको हरे.
And Sonali, you're very lucky to find a man
yes,
like
Sonali, I must
Wilson.
say, I know Sonali through Wilson because recently ती दोघां मेळ्ळे आणि Wilson introduced me like आमको introduce केले Sonali एशको आपण like you know we are dating and we are looking forward to get married. And I was very happy, like, you know, because
they got each other at the right time. Yeah,
actually,
very right time.
tu kitloy down, you go as far as you can, but your destiny only come when God has permitted it to you. It can't be happening before then and after also. So what God has planned, only that. And I see, like, you know, the day when Wilson was, like, he got married and the first dance I was tears were in my eyes, like, you know, with joy because I was so happy to see him, like, you know, to me videos it's also kitla happy ha paito. You know, the happiness of being to find a perfect person was very nice. And yes, as you said, like, you know, Sonali, you are very lucky to have Wilson because I know Wilson. We are ship buddies. We were working on a cruise, same company before. And that's how I met him. And when we met, we got to know that he stays in the very same village where my Mashan comes from Mercedes. I have my two Mashans. One is Great Mashan, one is Scholars Mashan. What happened was, like, Wilson, and from there we knew each other. And Wilson again UK, he kept that bond. We was always there in touch. Very good person, always helpful. Soda Papi, a people's person, I would say. He's a people's person and he loves like, you know, family. Angela bhi sarko chod barkotto Angela. So Angel was a flower girl for this. And it was so much joyful. As Wilson and crowd also so much excited, like, you know, very happening crowd. So this whole event to organize, the biggest help was Wilson's sister and his brother-in-law, Vilania and Frank. And
very nice people.
Very nice people. We met them before also. तुको हरे सांगो त्या दिसा इतले हांगले की जालें 1:30 they were supposed to leave आणि आमी 1:30 घराको पावले. Like, you know, तेन्ना एशको बेसन दिताय तेन्ना आणि आमी कितें करताय people are panicked always. आयचो बेगीन कोण भायर सरलो उगोच जालो हे जालें तें. They were calm, सारके calm as a sea. It was like, okay, जाता सगळे टायमार जाता सगळे भशेन. And I reached his sister and she came outside and she said, Baba, yeah, you come, very nice. Wilson is waiting for you all inside. Go give the blessing. अरे आणि कोण अरे होई किती लोक झाला लेट झालो बिकॉज व्हिडिओग्राफ राहता a panic situation, like, you know, too much, when too many people are around to take decision, mind to chaos so data. Same back again, even this one's Wilson's friends who had come from London and all, they also were very
Terra
helping.
Boys, no?
Terra Boys. So Terra Boys, heads off to you all.
You all did an amazing job.
कित्या फ्रेंड्स म्हणटानी एशको आसपा जाय एशको न्ही की बाबा फ्रेंड नांवां आसपा जाय म्हणून पण लिटरली इफ I want to have a friends, I would like to have friends like you guys. So
another friend of his came, no, from Scotland.
Rodney. And he also came, like, you know, they came, Rodney's family. We met him. Rodney I met because we were working on the ship as well. But I think so it's been a decade that we met. But after that we met. That's what this was. Handsome dude ha to ajun that's what. And Rodney's daughter also was a flower girl. So Angel and they were flower girl for that. Ani Kisha muntu sarko blush gail tinga. Apna ge nachon, saglanko nachon.
You all will see in the video.
She was dancing with everyone. She was like a showstopper mdate bashin. Everyone loves her. She likes to be like that. Sa dadache gal nigute.
बोर केलं दाडाचे गेलं किती केलं मामाचे गेलं.
Yes, so Wilson, I want to say just one thing. God bless you and Sonali, and that is all you required, the blessing. Always believe
And thank you for involving us in many of things in your
Yes.
wedding. And
Yeah, thank you for giving us that opportunity as well. Yeah, considering us not as a friend but a family friend. And all I wish you, I know that you have been a very good person, and I know you will be as same as what you were before. Looking at both of you, I only see that you are perfectly made for each other. There's nothing that could come more better as what has been what you are now. Always believe in each other, stand for each other. No matter what, the world is on one side, doesn't matter. If you two are together, nothing can fall down. And always look forward. Don't see for behind what people talks. Because at last the only people bark. Yeah, they don't bite. So focus on the future and look forward. But thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video of yours. Very short. We probably might not be able to get the original music on the video just because of the copyright. This vlog we have made it very nice, especially for Wilson. Yeah, just to know him, like okay, that short thing that we could do for him. कित्याक पूण हांव ते काजराय तूं एक्सायटेड नाचपाकूय आसलोलो
चड करपाक
आनी ते चड हे आक्को तो करपाक मेळना हांव मागीर तूं जाता तितले मातशें केलें थिंगा. I hope you all will like what we have done. Yeah, for Wilson. Especially Wilson, I hope you like it and your family as well. At least your family far away will be able to see a small glimpse of it. Yeah. So guys, let's watch it now. So now Angel is getting ready. Yes, Nadia is making her ready. There, cash kotte ready there. Boras to be Miguel lapit to. Jago Angel at the Angel see go Papa. Alright. Very pretty you look.
Thank you.
Nadia kotte there. Boras alle Nadia must jaan bhi moda. She was a beautician before. So helps a lot. Nalia palaram jaisa korpan jaye. What?
Wait, you did not start, right?
No.
When you were doing the video, the mirror was shown, right?
Yeah.
Then everyone's gonna see you like this.
Yeah, actually.
I'm seeing in the mirror that I can't be seen. My God, my angel looks so pretty. Oh my God.
I'm at ready झाली काजरा वचपा. This is me. I dressed up like this. Angel, flower girl. Kisha is not coming now, but she'll come in the hall. Mama also will come in the hall. And I'll say, oh, eklo. Aha. I'll say, oh, ekla. Gita.
Je tuma poda bukla le hai ki main late bidalla le me psycho ba I think was not waiting. You just reached on time here, yeah. Angela set korba pata for yeah. Just give the blessings now. Done the blessings now. We're gonna make. I'll show you the car, guy. Yeah, for the wedding car. That's the wedding car for Wilson. Mark Galia. Looks nice.
Very warm welcome to the celebration of Wilson and Sonali's marriage. We are very grateful for your presence here today. May the promises they make to each other today strengthen and grow.
सुखान वर्ष दुखान पिढीन कशें भलायकेन तुका विश्वासी रावतो आनी सगळ्या जिवितांत मोग करतो आनी तुका मनाले करून वाचता.
तुम्ही भूमिस्थ देवची एकामेकाक दिल्ल्या त्या कबलात सर्वेस्पोर आपल्या दोळपणान फील करू आणि तुमकां आपल्या आशिर्वादान करू. जे देवान जोडला ते मनशाक मोडू नये.
So guys, we came home now and we're gonna make Kisha ready. Kisha ready kela and Kisha ata ospa ready. Kisha nesoila ata tsoi Kisha kesisa Kisha. Tsoi. Sir ki butterfly में गेलो. Happy?
Happy.
Happy?
Happy.
Yeah, Kazra yeah?
Yeah.
काजराकू
Yeah.
ओय
Oui.
उई जे एंजलाच आहे हा एंजलाच आहे त्या गोता आपण गोता आहे भाई
Well, vloggers are an aura and angel. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for this wonderful bridal entourage that we have got right above over here. What comes in between, Wilson? You, your wife, and a beautiful cake. Knife. 4.
Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me.
What I want you to do is pick that piece of cake, put it in Sonali's mouth, and then you're going to take it from her mouth. All right? Okay, that's a cherry on the cake for you. Pick a piece of cake, put it in Sonali's mouth, and then you're going to take it from there. Ladies and gentlemen, while they do this, I want you guys to put your hands together and give them a loud, loud cheer while they do and share the first cake of their life. Wilson, take it. Here we go. So, ladies and gentlemen, get ready with your hands, please, to give him a big round of applause while he does the pop. He shakes it in style. That's the way your life is going to be shaken. Wilson, here we go.
Because my speech, you'll be glad to know, is much smaller, and my wife's got a lot more to say than I have. So, Wilson and Sonali, you've made it. You know, you've been shuttling up and down, ever since you met, you've been shuttling up and down between Hounslow and Swindon. Half of my family, I'd like to say, have a happy marriage. I hope and may God bless your marriage, and may you live happily ever after.
Wilson and Sonali, thank you to all those of you who have traveled far and who have stayed behind last night or will be staying behind tonight and taken a lot of trouble to be here and be with us and join in this celebration, for all the love and support, especially during difficult times. We had a great childhood, very beautiful memories of us growing up, sharing lots of love and laughter and lots of fun.
Dada. Ooh, it's it.
Eat, Baba, eat.
Nice, nice.
Eat croquet, eat. Oh,
See, Angel is busy talking with her old friends, friends from before. Angel, Glenka, Gabra, say hi. But you still say like that. Hi.